welcome aboard. I'm Cpt.Spider. Here's Jack. Here's Johnny. No, it's Jack. My mate Jack. Anyway, welcome aboard my Catamaran. Third wave, the boat's called. She's not going to be called third wave. She's going to have a name change, but all that has to be decided. I'm trying to get myself and Jack, my mate here, and whoever else comes along with us over to Mahon Menorca. I've only got 48 weeks to get there, which sounds a long time, but we're getting the boat ready to sail around the planet. Not once, twice. So you're coming along for a long journey. I'm going to be releasing videos. I'll try to get them out to you every week, and they're all up to date. So they might be released a couple of days after I filmed them, but they're really in real time. So I like to see comments. I can respond to you and reply to you, and everything's going to be real. So we're on a 31-foot Prout Catamaran. She was partially sunk, I think. The engine was seized when I bought her. The drive leg was shot. The sails were shot. Everything was shot. So she was sad. A very, very sad lady. But we're going to bring her back to life now. And we're going to make her into the ship that she should be. We're going to make her into a princess. A beautiful princess. Spider's princess. Right, I'll crack on with the video and then I'll get back to you. Right then, let's have a look around this boat then, see what we need to do. So, we've got the rigging to sort out. We've got the rigging to do. We've got the mast to drop. We have got windows, new windows to put in. New window to put in. We're also putting on windlass. We're going to put an electric one of them on. Let's have a look in here. So we've got some new chain there. That one new for when I bought the boat down in Fareham, down near the bottom end of the country, bottom end of England, and I've sailed her up to Wales, just under 500 miles. So we've got new lines on here. And then that old solar panel's coming off. And then I might build a canopy across here. So the mast will be coming down and we'll be getting new rigging on. Ready for the world tour. Next July, I think we'll be setting off. I think so. I think it'll be next July when I'm ready. So, in the engine, I've replaced the original engine and I've put in the I bought this just to get us home, back to my home port here up in Anglesey. So this is coming back out, this engine, the original engine in, the original engine that was in, I took out and I've rebuilt it. So that's going back in. This is the drive leg in here. That's the gearbox. There's the drive leg. This is coming off. I've stripped that down and I've rebuilt that. That was all seized up. But it's come down here with me. This is the drive leg. Fishing line had got in there, worked all its way down and seized it up. So that stopped the engine, and then as far as I can work out, the boat wouldn't go then. So, and then it got partially sunk for some reason. I'll find out. I'll get to the bottom of it. But, so this leg's coming off anyway. This is coming off, and I bought this. This is a gearbox here. So the new version I've got is a Mark II. I'm rebuilding that at home now at the moment, and that's going on. So that's all. We'll have all new bearings and things. And then under here, all these. This is coming off. This is all getting replaced with rubber. This here, I don't know if you can see it. So all the timber's coming off, rubber's going on. And then under here, look. There, we've got some damage. So this has got to be ground off. And then this is the keel. I'm going to put some wooden battens across there. The same on the other side. There. And then it'll just sit on some timber, something like this. A bit thinner though. And then instead of it sat on the sand or the mud, it'll sit on the bits of timber. And then we've only got one through hole going through. These are surface. So there's only one, and that's down here. Here. For the engine coolant. So that'll be getting stripped off and replaced. So I've got quite a bit of work to do before next summer. We'll get there though. Oh dear. Look at this. Look what I've seen here. See them nuts? None on there. Rusted off. Around here. Look. No nuts on there. And that's where the head should be there. On the other side here. Nuts. No nuts. Bolts. Look at that. Zoom in here. That is so lucky. And that's alright, but look at this in here. We've got a bit of play in there as well. So that's a job for the list. So that was just a little tour around. There's loads of stuff happening. We're sailing around the planet. We're not going around once, we're going to go around twice. We're going to have fun, and let's see what this planet has got to offer us. Let's go enjoy life. Ciao, adieu. Love you guys.